Without a grocery list, I spend $180 at the store every week. With this system, I spend $110 and come home with exactly what I need and nothing I will throw away. Here is every step. Open your fridge, freezer, and pantry before writing a single word. List what needs to be used up before it goes bad. Build this week's meals around what you already own. Produce, dairy, meat, canned goods, frozen, dry goods. In that order. Never backtrack through the aisles looking for something you missed. Saves 10 to 15 minutes per trip and kills impulse grabbing. Always check price per ounce, not the total package price. The big box is not always the cheapest. Check every time. Most stores show the unit price on the shelf label in small print. Produce, meat, and dairy live on the edges of every grocery store. Processed and expensive food lives in the middle aisles. Fill your cart from the perimeter before entering the center aisles. Hunger turns a $110 list into a $160 cart every single time. Eat something, anything, before you walk in. Or try grocery pickup online to remove the temptation entirely. The free printable grocery list template in the description is pre-organized by store section so you never wander again. Download it from the link below. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.